Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to tap on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on add another account. Go ahead and click on Google. Enter your lock security pattern. Go ahead and enter the Gmail ID right here. So the Gmail ID you need to add right here has to be the Gmail ID of a particular lost phone. Once you enter the Gmail ID, proceed to next. Go ahead and enter the account password. Go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and click on I agree. Go ahead and add your recovery mail right here. Go ahead and click on save. Skip this for now. After you have successfully logged in the lost phone Gmail account on a particular phone that you are using for account recovery and finding of your lost phone, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon right here. Go ahead and select the Gmail account of the lost phone. Once you select the Gmail account of the lost phone, go ahead and exit from your Gmail. Then you have to head over to the setting of that particular phone you are using to track your lost device. So go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do here is to scroll down and make sure you go to Google right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Find All. Enter the security lock password of the phone. Then it will automatically take you right here. So right here, you'll be able to see where the phone is. Just like what you see right here. And you'll be given the detail on how you can actually find the lost phone right here. So everything about the phone is going to be given right here. The phone name, and at the same time, the current location of the phone is going to be given from the map, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So this is how to find your lost phone step-by-step recovery guide. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.